Hello everybody. I'm Dr. Sam Price. I am your licensed naturopathic physician. I am your expert in natural medicine and natural health care. And I help you bridge conventional and alternative medicine to transform your illness into wellness. And today is very special because Dr. Kwanzaa, DJ Code Blue, has asked me to do a special something for those people that are suffering with the devastation in Houston right now. So if you can imagine, some of these people cannot get out and get medicine right now, and they need blood pressure medication, they need their asthma medication, they need their diuretics. So right now, right before this patient comes in, I'm going to tell you guys some things that you can do at home if you have some food items that can help you lower your blood pressure if you don't have any medication. So come on in, let me know that you're here, type something in the message so that I can acknowledge you. I'm going to give you some short tips. So everything that I'm going to mention right now is scientifically proven. Downstairs. All right, so I'm going to go through this quickly and hopefully this helps somebody. Please share for those people who are in Houston. Hopefully you guys are getting this and you guys can benefit with some lowering of your blood pressure. Okay, so the first one is oatmeal. If you have it in your house, this has fiber. Anything with whole grains is going to have fiber, which actually helps to lower your blood pressure. So that'll be number one. So oatmeal or some type of whole grains. Okay, number two is green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables have potassium in them, and potassium actually helps you excrete sodium, which helps you lower your blood pressure. So bananas would be a good idea. Green leafy vegetables that I'm talking about are like kale, arugula, spinach, collard greens, those type of green leafy vegetables. The other one would be dark chocolate. I know everybody's excited about that one, but I'm talking about real dark chocolate. So dark chocolate has magnesium in it, and magnesium is a muscle relaxer, so it opens the vessels and allows you to decrease your blood pressure naturally. Don't go overboard on this, because one of the things for helping with blood pressure is no sugar, no alcohol, no caffeine. So I know you guys are stressed, but if you can avoid that right now, that would be a good idea. Another one are berries. So I'm talking about strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, those type of things. They have OPCs in them, so they're fantastic for lowering blood pressure. Beets, and specifically garlic. I'm sure you guys have heard of the garlic. But beets and garlics kind of do the same thing. It helps to increase the nitric oxide, which actually opens up the blood vessels. Hey, Dr. Kwanzaa. So if you're opening up your blood vessels, you're decreasing your risk factor for having the hypertension. So I've gone through a couple of them, Dr. Kwanzaa, no problem. So we talked about oatmeal and grains, which have fiber that helps you decrease your blood pressure. We talked about green leafy vegetables and bananas, which have potassium in them, which help you to decrease your blood pressure. We talked about berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, those type of things that have OPCs in them that help to decrease your blood pressure. We talked about bananas with the green leafy vegetables, and green leafy vegetables, when I'm talking about that, I'm talking about arugula, kale, spinach, collard greens, mustard greens, turnip greens. So beets and garlic do the same thing. They're high in nitric oxide, which is going to open up the blood vessels and help you decrease your blood pressure. The other thing is yogurt. So yogurt has calcium in it, and calcium actually kind of is helps the blood pressure decrease as well. So I have a patient downstairs, so I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to hurry. Pistachios are also great for lowering the blood pressure level, and pomegranates, and your garlic specifically helps to decrease the salt that you're putting on things, and once you're decreasing the salt that you put on things, then you don't have as much blood pressure, because we know that salt also raises the blood pressure. So be careful with that. So other seasonings that you can use in lieu of the salt to help with blood pressure would be rosemary, cinnamon, basil, and thyme. They would be really great for helping with blood pressure as well. Did I get through everything? Pomegranates are good for lowering blood pressure as well. I'm going to try to get on here again after I see this patient. It might be a little while because it's actually a therapy that I'm doing. So let me go through that again. Oh, fish. I didn't mention fish. Fish. Hey, Dr. Donna. I'm trying to do this quickly because I have a patient coming in. They've already called me twice. So, fish is great because it's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which we know decrease blood pressure. It also is high in vitamin D, so this is going to help as well. So let me go through the list really quickly before they actually come and yank me out of my room. All right, so one is oatmeal, or something with high fiber. So oatmeal and whole grains are great for decreasing blood pressure. Green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, arugula, any kind of collard greens, turnip greens, those type of things, if you can cook them, they're rich in potassium, and that's going to help to lower your blood pressure. So of course bananas are great as well. Dark chocolate has magnesium in it, so I'm fine with that. Just don't overdo the sugar. Berries have OPCs in them, and they help to lower your blood pressure as well. Beets and garlic do the same thing. They help with nitric oxide, which is going to help to lower your blood pressure. Garlic actually makes it so that you don't have to, I'm going to get to asthma after the patient, Dr. Kwanzaa. So the garlic helps you not have so much sugar that you're adding to your food. And others spices that you can add are rosemary, cinnamon, basil, thyme, those type of things, so that you're not putting so much salt on things to help lower your blood pressure, especially if you don't have any blood pressure medication right now. Pistachios are great to eat for lowering your blood pressure, pomegranate juice, and fish. Fish, if you have it, guys. Another thing that you can do is meditation or alternate nostril breathing. So you're going to close one nostril like this, breathe in for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then exhale for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, 3 counts on each side. Okay, I'm Dr. Samm Price. I am your expert in natural medicine, your licensed naturopathic physician. I help you bridge conventional and alternative medicine to transform your illness into wellness. This was all about food that you can use for decreasing blood pressure, especially for those of you guys that are in Houston. I hope this has been informative. Please follow me and like me on social media, and all handles are Dr. Samm ND, DrSamm, N as in naturopathic, D as in doctor. Thanks, guys. Gotta go. Bye.